For the past few weeks, I've been so out of touch with creating content. I haven't sat down to record a single video, and this is something I used to love and enjoy. And it's crazy because I'm literally a social media manager and content strategist. I help people show up online consistently. This is something I do for a living. And it's not because I don't want to show up, of course I do, and this is hard for me to say out loud. The truth is, I no longer enjoy creating content. By content, I mean videos specifically, because this is something that I used to love, but all of a sudden, or is it? It just stopped feeling good. And here's how it happened. At first, it started from being busy with client work, mom life, and all of that. And now that I finally feel like I'm in a place where I want to start creating again, the joy and the passion is no longer there. The thing is, this didn't just happen out of nowhere. No, nothing ever happens out of nowhere. Nothing ever happens for no reason. It's usually a combination of different feelings, different pressures that start small and pile up. And before you notice, you've completely lost your drive, your passion for the thing that you once used to enjoy. And it's not just one big thing. No, it's 100 little things that start slowly, and before you even realize it, you get to a place where you just stop. You stop posting, you stop showing up, you quietly disappear, and you just become a distant memory in the minds of people. And no, I don't want that. I refuse to do that. So I am deciding to do something different, not just for me, but for you. For you who is in this exact place right now, who feels stuck and uninspired to continue. You started your year, with big content goals, and somehow you are in this pit that I'm in. I'm starting a series called Back to Creating. This is where I'll share my journey to getting my groove back to creating. And the thing is, I don't just want to do this behind the scene and just show up like nothing happened. And that's why I want you to come on this journey with me. In this series, I'm going to share the things that I'm doing, things I'm learning, the steps I'm taking to getting my groove back to creating content. I refuse to be that person, and I also refuse to let you be that person who hits rock bottom and just stays there. No, we're down there, but we're going to get up and we're going to get our groove. We're going to get our love, joy, and inspiration back to doing something, that thing that we've always wanted to do, to become that content creator that we've always wanted to become. Okay, so I know that I'm not ready to start recording talking head videos, but I am going to record voiceovers. I'm going to use b-rolls and the vlogs that I have and just add the voiceovers to share the things that I'm learning, so that you can follow me in this journey. And by the grace of God, by the end of this series, we should be in a place, or even in a better place, where we're ready to start showing up and creating content again. So I'll see you in episode 1. Bye.